Well, yes, this is me. This is when I discovered, I don't know why, the microphone was not recording whatever I said. I'm showing a badass piece that it works um, in the drainage for a shower. Any drainage under 3 inches, and it's too waterproof. It's like a little pump you inflate, and after you inflate that pump, it will prevent the water to go through that pipe where it goes inside. I'm showing, you see, the weird me does not know that I'm not recording nothing, so I can do noises, blah 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 blah. Yes, this little chain. Yes, of course. It was a sunny day. I was wearing my shades. Well, you have the idea. So I'm telling more about this thing, how it works, how the big ring prevents that that thing goes and on through the drain and gets stuck. That little thing is to release the air, so you can. It works like a tire. You can remove the valve from that, and also prevents air leaking. So once you inflate it, that tag says danger because can explode, something like that. But yes, I think you have the idea. Better if we go to the next part of the video. That part is showing the big ring, so you know it does not go down to the drain. I'm talking about the diameters, yes, for sure. What a handsome man is talking. Something about the fingers, I don't know. The red, go down to the drain. Yep. So that's why the big metal ring is for. So well, I think you had enough. Let's go to the next video. Okay, this is the pan, ready. You can see the drain. And here we have this bad boy. So this bad boy will go here. Around there. And then I will need to inflate it. So since I cannot inflate and record at the same time, I will make a pause. So the water level is here. We will wait for 2 hours, and if the water level does not go down, we will pour water in the whole pan. That's the way. You will see the next step. Hi, it's Frank again. Another thing we do, once we demolish everything, we install this. This is Hardy Baker, 1/4 inch, and it is like above the subfloor. We install this for your floor to have a very good support. So this is very important step. Hi everybody, as you can see we did too many things here. We install the 1/2 inch Hardy Baker, apply caulking in the edges, and membrane barrier here. This one is easy to apply. We install here, and it's kind of pinkish when we are installing, you can see, and when it's dry it gets the red and becomes plastic. So when I install here, so you can see, and go back. You can see now it's completely red. This is kind of pink. This is kind of pink because we just apply on the screws. You can see the touching in the screws, and it's a little bit more in the corners to be very well protected. And now the water, maybe you can see, is filled with water. So we will leave it like that until tomorrow. Come back, check the water is still there, and start installing the tile. So this is so far for now. This is project bathroom waterproofing. Hi, this is Frank Puente, and let's go to see with me if this holds. Okay, you can see still water. Okay, it's time to remove this thing. Very easy. Have this just release the air. And now the water is going out to the frame. So, this is the tester. Now we are sure this bathroom is waterproof. No leaking will come from here. And on top of this, we will put another plastic barrier, this one, the red one, on the floor once we finish the concrete. So there is no way the water will be